Hello everybody, my name's and welcome back to another video after 7 months. My last video was on May. It's actually the gameplay video. No one liked it. And what I want to go back and do today is show you guys, make an updated version of how to download the Memory Dash free on the Mac. The reason I stopped making my videos for 7 months is I was really busy. Alright, my 7 months were really busy, but now I have the time to do it. So you guys, as you can see, it's a nice day, and let's get straight into this video. So wait, first thing you have to do is go ahead and go to link in the description. I know this is the same file as my old video, and a lot of people say it didn't work, the DMG didn't open. Now I finally found my mistake that I did with the last video. I actually put the shortcut or the alias of the file into my DMG, because you guys doesn't have the main file, you wouldn't be able to launch a shortcut, and that's the problem that people were having. But today I fixed that, and I also fixed the file. So all you have to do, go to this link in the description below, and then press download. It should take about an hour depending on your internet connection. Once you have the file download, it should be in your go to finder, and then it should be in your download. I drag it to my desktop. Here's the file. What you want to do is open it up. So now do not just go double click, that wouldn't work. You have to right click and press open. And you go ahead and open this up. You'll see this, and this is not the shortcut, alright? This is the main game. Before you launch it up, what I suggest doing is show package contents, drive C, program files, Memory Dash, copy the scroll down, copy the Steam app appy.dll. Just gonna copy that, go to profile, go to egg games, go to local, and then paste it in. As you can see, I already have it in. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and I click on the game and hit open. Now I don't know why the file what I recommend is go ahead and drag into your desktop, or don't leave it in the my listing, because you might have some problem with it. So I drag it to my games folder, as you can see here, and I'm going to force it like that, and you can just click on open. But when I drag it to my here, right click and then open. So the game is right there, drag to my game folder, and as you can see, you have this black screen right here, and you'll see that. And if you see this black screen, I mean, yeah, the game is working perfectly fine. As you can see right here, it's running smoothly on my computer, because my computer is pretty decent. But yours might be better, you might run better or run less smoother. If you want the max energy out of your system put inside the game, you want to go ahead and close the other program you have open. And those might be hard to hear me, but off and on a little bit. I just got a new headphone, so the sound is pretty loud for me. For you guys, it might not be loud. For me, it's actually pretty loud. With this new headphone I just got, but I played this game several times before. This is a updated version because my old version, a lot of people saying it was not working, and I know. You can go to settings here, options, load song to memory, auto retry. All this over here is working. You can also go to here if you don't know, and you can go to featured, and you can play some of these levels, or you can just go to search, most downloaded. Let's go ahead and try this level. Just, download the song real quick. Anyways, this game it's fantastic. It's working really well, and I actually really like it. So I want to give a huge shout out to you guys who actually liked my video. I really appreciate it. I mean, I think for the 1,000 views video, like my last Geometry Dash, how to download Geometry Dash video free on the Mac, that video was 1,000 views, and that's just, thank you guys, that's actually a lot to me. To some of you guys might not be a lot, but for a junior YouTuber like me, it's actually a huge support that I got 1,000 views, and just the support you guys give me is crazy. That's all I want to say. But you know, hopefully I'm still recording this right now. I don't know. Yeah, I am. But thank you guys for watching. If this does work, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.